Hi everyone, we're going to be doing some more lessons on hearing aid care, and today we're looking at changing the wax filter in a custom In-The-Canal hearing aid. This one is made by Resound. Most wax filters operate the same way, although they are specific sizes based on the manufacturer. Some look a little bit different, so if you're not sure what to use, just give us a call. As I mentioned, this is a Resound device, so this is what their packaging currently looks like. You open the little pack and there are multiple sticks inside. Pull out a stick, and on one side you have an empty end. On the other side of the stick you have a new wax filter. Okay, so if we pick up the hearing aid here, you can see in the end there's a small white filter. You're going to press the empty end of the stick into that old filter. Pull the stick out, the filter should come with it. Flip the stick around and push the new clean filter into the hearing aid. Voila! Now you can throw that old stick with the old filter away. And as mentioned, some of these filters do look a little bit differently, but they operate on the same basic principle. These look like petals, and you have an empty end and a new filter on one of the ends of that petal. Thanks for tuning in. Again, if you have any questions about which ones to use, give us a call.